and magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang ating special topic ngayong umaga. But bago po ang lahat, welcome po sa ating mga first-timers. Kung meron po dyan, pwede pong mag-type ng me. Maraming salamat sa inyong time ngayong araw na ito at sa mga regular attendees po dito sa Zoom at sa ating FB Live. Magandang umaga po. Ito po ang aking transformation journey with Herbalife. Ako po ay 33 years old and I have been on the products po for 13 years now and ginamit ko na po siya sa maraming paraan sa aking weight loss, sa aking sports nutrition as a Dragon Boat athlete, and sa aking two pregnancies, of course, with the approval of my OB, and until now that I am on my second journey po ng breastfeeding, 3 years and 10 months, amazing. So, bonus na lang po yung aking na-lose na weight. What I really love about is yung energy na aking nakuha and I feel lighter, stronger, healthier, happier. Kasi po, sabi nga kanina nung isang sharer, di ba, um, nakakapag-improve ng mood, di ba? So, nakakabait. Ayan. And also, lahat po ng products ay aking paborito from powders to supplements to tablets. To name some of my favorite, NRG, Extracal, Herbalife Line, Nightworks, Rebuild Strength, Active Fiber Complex, Formula 2 vitamins and minerals, and of course, Cell Complex. Kulang na lang po sabihin, isa-isahin ko po lahat. And also po, pinaka-favorite ko din po ay ang soothing gel and of course yung shampoo and conditioner. Very amazing skincare. So walang tatalo po. Dahil paraben and sulfate free. So now po I'm really excited um, to continue to be stronger, healthier, not just for myself, but of course for my family. Ayan. So let's start na po with the topic for today, how to count macros, calculating the best macronutrient ratio for your goals. So this is from Susan Bowerman, our Senior Director, Worldwide Nutrition Education and Training. So I can share this with you, yung pinakasimple po na aking masishare sa inyo. Ayan. So sa article po na ito, marami po siyang kino-cover. Ano po ba yung macronutrients? Bakit sila mahalaga? What is the best macronutrient ratio? Paano po natin i-calculate yung calorie needs? Paano po i-calculate yung ating macro percentages? Paano natin i-track yung ating macro intake? And ano bang benefits nitong pag-count ng macros? Okay. So first, ano ba yung macro or macronutrients? So from the word itself, yung macro, it means large, malaki. So kailangan natin ng large amount of these macronutrients. So may tinatawag na big three, which is the protein, carbohydrates, and fat. So yan po yung big three. And if we measure po yung macronutrients, it is in grams. And yung micronutrients naman po is in milligrams and micrograms. So, ito pong lahat na ito is makakakuha tayo ng energy para sa ating katawan. So, may iba't ibang functions siya as energy sa ating katawan. Alright. So ano ba yung big three na macronutrients? First up is the protein. Of course, these are some of the benefits of protein. Kung iso-search nyo siya, marami talagang benefits ang protein. First is, of course, yung katawan natin, nagke-create yan ng mga proteins such as enzymes and hormones. So we need to add up more protein. And it is also necessary sa ating immune system para sa mga antibodies. And tumutulong din yung protein para mag-transport um, tulad nga ng hemoglobin sa ating blood, 'di ba? So nakakatulong yung protein and it is very essential kasi in every cell ng ating katawan ay kailangan ng protein. So sino bang nakakaalam ilan ang cells sa ating katawan? Paki-type po diyan. Ayan. All right. And the next macronutrient is the carbohydrates. Okay, so this is the primary source po ng ating energy. And of course, ng ating cells, tissues, and organs. So the best source of carbohydrates is from the complex carbohydrates, which are the vegetables, whole fruits, whole grains, beans, dairy products. Kasi po kapag kumuha po tayo ng carbohydrates sa simple carbohydrates such as rice, bread, um, yung mga matataas po sa sugar, so nakaka-add up din po yun ng calories. And with complex carbohydrates, it can help us to feel full longer. Okay. And the third one po is the fat. The last one of the big threes, fat, macronutrient. So ito din po ay isang major fuel source para sa ating metabolic processes sa ating loob ng katawan. And it also supports the health of our brain and nervous system. And it helps ang ating katawan na take ng mga fat-soluble vitamins. And of course, yung ibang mga certain phytonutrients. All right, so those are the big three po: protein, carbohydrates, and fat. So now, let's continue po. Ito po yung best macronutrient ratio. Pwede nyo pong i-screenshot ito and para po sa inyong good starting point. So 40% for carbohydrates, 30% for protein, and 30% for fats. So it's a 40-30-30 ratio. So yan po ang ating basehan sa ating starting point when we take our macronutrients. Yan. So ito din po makaka-help to calculate ang ating calorie needs. You just search this sa inyong Google. So yung macro calculator. So this estimates yung mga macronutrient needs natin based of course sa ating age, sa physical characteristics, yung activity level mo, are you a beginner, intermediate, or an advanced level sa workout? And of course, yung body weight goals. Ayan. So ito po yon. Kung isa-search nyo, ganito po yung makikita nyo. So you will enter your age, your gender, yung goal, what is your activity during the week, yung weight, yung height, of course. So talagang nakahimay-himay na siya. So protein mo is ganitong grams per day, yung sugar, ayan, yung fat, of course, yung big three na macronutrients. Ayan. So again, macro calculator. Okay? So calculator.net. Ayan po. So let's take as an example po if we calculate na yung ating calorie needs. So ang quick method po is yung current weight nyo, you just multiply it by 15. Okay? Kung kayo po ngayon ay weight maintenance, example is 150 pounds with regular moderate exercise times 15, that is 2,250 calories a day. What if naman po if you are weight loss? So let's stick to the 150 pounds times 15. So less 500, that is 1,750 calories a day. And note lang po, be sure na hindi po tayo bababa sa 1,200 calories para po makuha natin yung adequate calories na makukuha natin sa foods and nutrients na kailangan natin. Ayan. So, paano naman po makalculate yung macro percentage? So, pwede nyo din pong i-screenshot ito. Keep in mind po, ang protein ay 4 calories per gram, carbohydrate 4 calories per gram, and fat ay 9 calories per gram. So example po, if our calorie diet is 2,100 and sa ratio po na 40, 30, 30, so sa carbohydrates po, to compute your carbohydrates per day, na ang carbohydrates ay 4 calories per gram, so yung 40% po na ratio sa carbohydrates, and then i-times mo doon sa calories na 2,100, so you have 840 calories of carbs per day. Yan. And ilang grams ba yon? So i-divide mo sa 4, that is 210 grams of carbs per day. Alright? So ayan. And how about po yung protein? Same calories, 2,100. So 4 calories po per gram ang protein. So yung 2,100, i-times natin sa 30%, that is 630 calories of protein. So divided by 4, that is 158 grams of protein per day. Okay? May math po tayo ngayong umaga. Ayan. And sa fat naman po, so fat has 9 calories per gram and it has 30% na ratio. So i-times natin sa 2,100 calories. So 630 calories ng fat per day. Then divide to 9, which is 9 calories ng fat. So 70 grams of fat per day po ang kailangan. Ayan. So to sum up, ito po ang daily intake. So you have 2,100 calories per day, and from carbohydrates, 840 calories, which or 210 grams. Sa protein naman, 630 calories with 158 grams of protein. And from fat, 630 calories and with 70 grams of fat. So yan po yung summary ng ating kinumpute kanina. Okay, I hope nakakasunod, and you can also screenshot para po ma-apply nyo sa inyong calories na meron pong sinusunod. Alright. So, paano naman natin itatrack yung macro intake natin? Of course, nakakatulong po yung mga food trackers. So, very good po sa mga merong food trackers sa kanilang mga cellphones. If wala pa po, you can download it. And of course, yung mga nutrition information. Of course, saan pa ba ang pinaka reliable source? herbalifenutrition.com, or sa ating if you have your own Herbalife account, you can also access there. So, nutrition facts panels on packaged foods. Okay? So, kailangan marunong din po tayong magbasa ng nutrition facts sa ating mga kinakain. Ayan. And ano bang maitutulong sa akin ng macros, ng macronutrients? Of course, if you are very, kumbaga talagang seryoso sa iyong goals, so talagang pati macros iyong binabantayan. So it is very helpful na ma-reach mo yung goals mo. And may improve din yung quality ng iyong diet. Hindi lang yung basta you take this meal during this day. And of course, mas maiintindihan mo yung mga nutrients na kinakain mo na kasama sa iyong diet. And matututo din tayong mag-smart spend kasi mababudget natin yung ating kinakain na calories sa each macronutrients. Kumbaga parang nagsusukat ka, ganon. Alright. And ito lang po, some tips. Always choose healthy at 90% of our time. And of course, don't forget to enjoy 10% sa mga food na iyong kryptonite. Kumbaga, hindi mo maiwan, di ba? Of course, the food that you love, ayan. So, anything that is in excess, of course, it's not good. And let's always keep things in balance and let's plan ahead. If unplanned, then we need to adjust. Of course, a better journey for a healthier and happier life because we won't be happy at the destination if we can't be happy on the journey. So I hope po meron po kayong natutunan today and have a great day po. See you around.
Thank you, Coach Cheng. Okay, so ang ganda ng topic natin. Okay, ngayon